Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the sound not working in of Ash and Steel on PC. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click Hardware and Sound. Select Sound. In the list, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just click on your device and select Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device. Select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure your volume slider is not set to 0 or muted. Solution 3. Go to the Advanced tab. Set the bit rate to 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. You can also uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Press Apply and then OK. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to OV. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and choose Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Solution 6. Install your driver manually in Device Manager. Go back to your audio device. Click Update Driver again. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select your audio driver. Restart your PC to apply changes. Solution 7. Sometimes sound issues come from your GPU driver. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to finish. Solution 8. Update your NVIDIA drivers. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, open the Start menu, type NVIDIA App, and open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Search for updates. Download and install any new driver. Launch your game again. And that's it. Your sound in of Ash and Steel should now be working correctly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.